Hello, my name is David Jones, and this video is an introduction to the framework of the Open for Business project. Before getting into the details of the framework and reviewing the example application and component, I'd like to present a quick overview of the Open for Business project itself. This is the home page of the OFBiz.org site and is a good place to get information about the project. The Open for Business project is a community-driven open source project previously licensed under the MIT open source license, although we are now moving to the Apache 2.0 license because of the effort and process of moving towards becoming an Apache project. We are currently in the Apache incubator. You can see the status of that on this page, which is linked to from the home page of the OFBiz.org site right up here on top. This site also has general information about OFBiz, where to get it and recommended approaches for using it and so on. Also the main resources of the project, mailing lists, issue trackers, source repository, and such. The Docs and Books page also has very valuable information when you're getting started with OFBiz, as well as using it over time. On the left side here we have the documentation on OFBiz.org itself, as well as documentation on a variety of other sites. We try and keep this updated with a good list of the current documentation available from people involved with OFBiz as well as others. On the right side here we have various books that are related to the Open for Business project or that are helpful when using it or customizing it and to understand it in general. One of the more important is this book right here, the Data Model Resource Book Revised Edition, Volume 1 by Lynn Silverstone. It has an overview of the general concepts of the data model used in the Open for Business project, and it's very helpful to understand these when trying to understand the applications and how to move around in developing as well as using them. My role in the Open for Business project is that of founder and administrator. There are various other people involved. Andy Zaneski, the other founder of OFBiz, is my partner in a consulting company called Undersun Consulting. We provide various services and products, including this video that you're looking at. The Undersun Consulting is independent of the Open for Business project and does not own it. We've tried to keep them very separate over time, keep the business interests separate from the software itself. OFBiz has been running since the 13th of May of 2001. And over the years, a number of other people have become involved with it, and it has truly grown into a community-driven open source project.